Okay, good morning, everybody. My name is Alexander, and this is my catch-up series for today, 29th of April 2021. A recap from last week. USD CHF was around here last week, and I said I was still a bear, and I was only going to take a sell after I see some type of bearish variation of an engulfing, which is something that I saw here. And you can see from there on, this market has been going down and we expect it to run to the low there. So for now is just the push move. I don't think there's any setup, anything I'm looking at, or all I'm looking at is for the market to push down. But if it doesn't push down, this level is a level that has just been broken. So I'll be looking at the market retracing back there before continuing to the downside. And as you can see, I'll only be a buyer with a break of this level. I've been keeping you guys up to date with the analysis I've been sending on the Telegram channel. So if you keep to date with that, you would understand how this market moved. GBP USD, where the market was that day was here, where I expected the market to either reject to the upside for a 60 pip move or reject back to the downside for a 90 pip move. And we see that after a bearish confirmation of this level, we got that move to the downside. And from the indication from last week, I said it's either going to reject here and go back up or come back down to the side before going back up. And you can see that it came back to this downside where I expected a deeper retracement. We got that deeper retracement and some type of consolidation, and we've seen that push to the upside. So still on this one, we're still saying the same thing. It's a push phase. What we are in is a push phase right now. So no much setup except this level has been taken out. Even this level has been taken out. What I expect is the market to run back up, but if it doesn't, I expect it to retrace a little bit before continuing back up. So potentially we might see this market retrace back to potentially this level before it continues back up. We still have a bullish sentiment on this bad boy here, so it's either it retraces back down for a continuation or gives some sort of consolidation before continuing back up. GBP JPY. Well, I said I needed more confirmation before taking that sell, but the market was here that day where I said I was only going to be a buyer if these lower candlestick lower highs were taken out, and we didn't see that. What we saw is the market running back 100% to this low, which gave almost 100 pip move, which is almost 100 pip move. We see the market not breaking this 100% retracement level. What we saw now is on a lower time frame, a break of that level, a retest on lower time frame, and we've seen that push to the upside. If you keep tabs with my analysis on the Telegram channel, you'd understand how this trade played out and what I was looking for. So we're still looking at this market going a little bit higher. We are on the push phase. We are at a supply level right now. So what we expect this market to run up to this level here, to this level. And if we see a break of this level, then we expect this market to go higher. But if not, we might just see a retest of this broken level that it just broke. We might just see that happen. So we might see a retest of this level before it continues back up. EUR JPY broke out of its consolidation, where I said I was only going to be a seller if I see some type of bearish variation out of this level. I got it. I got that bearish variation, but I lost the trade, so I took an L on this one. But as you can see, we saw that rejection, and a break of this level here. A break of that level, some type of minute retest before it pushed to the upside. And we can see, even though I was expecting a sell, I still had my eyes on the buy side of the market. And I got a little bit of the buy here. Then I took the L from here. I think it's not here, but from here. So I took that L here. So that's that for EJ. But I feel right now it's just pushing to that monthly zone. All markets are in the push phase right now. So since it's broken out of the consolidation zone, this zone, we might just expect some type of retracement to that level. But this level is some type of level we look out for. But a deeper retracement is what I'll be expecting. So from now till next week or next 2 weeks, we might just see that deep retracements to the downside. But for now, the market is in a push phase. CHF, JPY, the same thing. I was looking for a sell. I didn't get that sell, but I got into that buy. I got into the buy, and if you keep tabs with what I've been posting on the Telegram channel, on the beginning of this week, I sent an analysis that I was expecting the market to retest this level before pushing back up. We got that push back up, and the market has even gone farther, and it looks like it has broken a weekly zone that has been holding for years now. So potentially we might just see that break, but if we look at this on the weekly level, it's just one candle. So next week we might see some type of retracement back into this level, making the overall scale being a testing candle. So enough of the weekly scale. This is the H4. What we expect is a retest of this level, or today's candle to be some type of healthy close above this monthly level. So we know that this monthly level has been taken out, and what we expect is some type of healthy bullish move. My trades of the week, EUR USD and AUD USD, I've been in them. Yesterday I was in the trade. I thought I forgot I was in the trade while the FOMC was going on, but thank God the trade didn't take me out. But this is how it went. This was a level I was looking at. This was a level I was looking at last week, where I expected the market to reject from that level. I was only going to be a seller with a break of this level, or the market coming back down to this level before it pushes back up. We didn't get that. What we got is some type of bullish variation of an engulfing, taking out this level, and we got that retest of that level, and I took the buy off of a second pass to the low. I'm currently floating in profit. So what I expect is this market to keep pushing up. If it doesn't, all I would want to see is a retest of that level, this level that just got taken out. So a retest of this whole level. Yeah, a retest of this level potentially, or a retest of this high, this previous higher high that got taken out. So a retest of this higher high for a continuation to the upside is what I'll be looking at, or a deeper retracement. So I'll only be a seller when I see the break of this level. You guys already know that. I'll only be a seller with a break of this level. I don't have to say again. AUD USD, same thing. I was only going to be a seller with break of this level. We didn't get that break where this level has been holding since Thy Kingdom Come. I said we got a minute retest of this level for a pushback down to the downside. We got that pushback down for how many pips? Not much, but this was a 50 pip move. 50 pip, it was a 50 pip move and it was good. We saw that bullish variation of an engulfing here where I was potentially looking to be back into the buyer side. I got into the market around inside this area last week, went up, started this week well. We're expecting a retracement. We got that retracement. And based off of these rejections, I got into the buy. Based off of these rejections, that those weeks there that started giving some sort of market structure of an higher low type scenario, I got into the market and I've been expecting it. So now this is some sort of triple top and a bearish engulfing. Looks like this level also is holding. So what we might see potentially is this market running back down to this level, but still the market is giving us some type of bullish stance. The market is currently bullish, so we're looking at the bulls overall. But right now, if this level doesn't hold, what we expect is the market to keep pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. But we have a daily zone here to be wary of. Volatility index. The market was around here last week. I was expecting some type of bearish confirmation, some bearish close around this level. I didn't get that. This almost faked me out, but this candle almost faked me to be into the seller territory, because looking at it like this, it almost looked like a break of that level, but if you look deep into it, it wasn't. So another bearish candle would have made me take the sell, but I didn't get that. I got a bullish candle, meaning this level looked like is going to be taken out from the analysis I gave, where I said if I see some type of bullish break of that level, I would be a buyer, and we might potentially have a new all-time high for the volatility 75 index, which is what we got first. We got it here. We got that retracement and retest of the supply zone as now a demand zone, and we got that push. I got into a sell around here yesterday, expecting that retest, that good retest of this level, and I closed trade around here. We see that bullish push. I didn't catch this move, and as such, I've missed it. But last, we have a new all-time high for the VIX, and it might just be up and away. But for now, there is no roof for this thing. It might just potentially keep going higher and higher. For that, I don't think I have any analysis. I'll only be some sort of buyer if I see the market retrace to this level for continuation, and I'll be a seller with a break of this level. So that's that for my catch-up series. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, drop your questions. I'll answer them. Follow us on all social platforms at TradersHub NG, at Yusha Mindset, at King ALXNDA on Instagram, on Twitter, everywhere basically. So I'll see you guys in the next catch-up series. Take care. Bye-bye.